If you're into gadgets that make cleaning easier, this one is worth a look. Today, we've got something that takes a very traditional, very messy job, cleaning your grill, and adds a modern, powered twist. This is the Grillion Electric Grill Brush. It's one of those tools you probably don't think about until you actually need it. But if you grill regularly, or even occasionally, something like this could end up saving you a lot of time and effort. So let's not waste time. Let's open it up. Right out of the box, everything looks neatly organized. You've got the main Grillion unit here, which comes with a built-in rechargeable battery. Then there are two brush heads, a chain brush and a wire brush, giving you some flexibility depending on what kind of surface you're cleaning. The chain brush is better suited for flat-top grills or griddles, while the wire brush is ideal for getting into tighter gaps and stubborn spots. You also get a USB-C charging cable, a user manual, and the packaging itself actually doubles as a storage case, which is a nice touch if you want to keep everything in one place. Now this part is pretty interesting, the built-in soap dispenser. Out of the box, the bottle is empty, so you'll need to fill it up yourself with dishwashing liquid or your preferred cleaner. But once it's filled, it turns this into a more complete cleaning tool. Instead of stopping to grab a separate spray bottle, you can just press the button right here and it dispenses soap directly onto the grill surface as you clean. It's quick, it's simple, and it actually makes the whole process feel a lot more streamlined. Taking a closer look at the handle, you've got a small display that shows battery level and cleaning modes, along with a button to switch between them. The charging port is right here as well. The unit comes with some charge straight out of the box, which is always good to see, and based on the specs, it should handle multiple cleaning sessions on a single charge, so it's not something you'll constantly need to plug in after every use. Definitely something I'll test more over time. Attaching the brush heads is pretty straightforward. Unlock this section, pull it out, slot the brush in, push it back, and lock it into place. There's also a protective guard here to help prevent grease from splashing back while you're cleaning. One small thing to keep in mind, when you're attaching everything, make sure the internal metal bracket lines up properly. If it's slightly off, it can feel a bit awkward to fit the brush in, but once it's aligned, it clicks in without much effort. And for the soap bottle, you just twist it into place until it locks in. Another good thing, you don't have to replace the whole unit over time. Replacement brush heads are available separately, so you can just swap them out when they wear down. Alright, let's actually try it out. Here's the grill. Hasn't been cleaned since yesterday. There's leftover grease and some burnt residue from cooking. Perfect test. As soon as the brush makes contact, you can see it start working through that buildup. And the key thing here is you're not putting in a ton of effort. It's more about guiding the brush and letting the motor do the work. Quick tip, if the grill is slightly warm, it makes cleaning a lot easier. I'm starting with the chain brush. And now switching over to the wire brush for the edges and tighter spots. Here's the before, and here's the after. Definitely a noticeable difference. Once you're done, cleanup is simple. You can rinse the brush heads under running water, and they're also dishwasher safe. So, first impressions, this actually feels like a well-thought-out product. It's not the cheapest option out there, but the combination of powered cleaning, interchangeable brushes, and that built-in soap dispenser makes it feel more complete than most. If you grill often, this could genuinely make your cleanup routine a lot easier. That's been a first look at the Grillion Electric Grill Brush. If you want to check it out, the link's in the description. And let me know, would you switch to something like this or stick with a traditional brush? Drop your thoughts in the comments and I'll catch you in the next one.